Way 42 talks about the general trend across a period this time. And you should note that when it comes to noticing trends within a periodic table, atomic radius decreases as we go across a period, across a horizontal row. And this is primarily due to the increasing positivity of the nucleus. And remember, electrons are negative. They're going to be attracted to oppositely charged things. The only thing that's positively charged within the atom is the nucleus. So as we go across a period, notice that the number of protons inside the center of the nucleus is increasing. So though lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon all occupy 2 energy levels, the force experienced by these electrons is greater as these protons increase. So the electrons are going to be pulled closer to the nucleus and squeezing the radius of the atom and the size of the atom. Because the radius decreases, those electrons experience more pull. Therefore, it's harder to remove those electrons, and the attraction for those electrons also increases. So, in general, as we go across a period, the size of the atom decreases, but the ionization energy and electronegativity increases. So everything toward the right should have a higher ionization energy and electronegativity. Everything to the right will also have a smaller size. Let's try some questions. Which general trends in atomic radius and electronegativity are observed as the elements in period 3 are considered in order of increasing atomic number? Here it's talking about atomic radius and electronegativity, and you should note that they're opposites each other. And as we go across a period, atomic radius decreases, whereas electronegativity increases. You could always use table S to verify that this is true in case you forget the trend. It says, describe the general trend in atomic radius as each element in period 2 is considered in order from left to right. You should have noted that the atomic radius decreases as you move left to right across period 3. And again, you can always verify this on table S. Which statement describes the general trends in electronegativity and atomic radius as the elements in period 2 are considered in order from left to right? Same question, just asked a different way. The correct answer is 3. Electronegativity increases across a period, whereas the atomic radius decreases. The diagram below represents 3 elements in group 13 and 3 elements in period 3 and their relative positions on the periodic table. Some elements in the solid phase exist in different forms that vary in their physical properties. For example, at room temperature, red phosphorus has a density of 2.16 grams per cubic centimeter, and white phosphorus has a density of 1.823 grams per cubic centimeter. Consider the period 3 elements in the diagram in order of increasing atomic number. State the trend in electronegativity for these elements. You should note that as atomic number increases across period 3, electronegativity also increases. Remember, there are more protons, more nuclear charge present in the nucleus. So those atoms are going to experience greater pull for electrons, or greater force for bonding electrons when they chemically react with other atoms. Which general trend is found in period 3 as the elements are considered in order of increasing atomic number? The only answer that's correct is that the electronegativity increases. All the others are false. Therefore, the answer choice is 2. Which general trend is found in period 2 on the periodic table as the elements are considered in order of increasing atomic number? You should note that increasing first ionization energy is the only answer that makes sense. So answer choice 4 is correct. Okay, when it comes to memorizing trends from the periodic table, please note that across a period, the atomic radius decreases, whereas ionization energy and electronegativity both increase. And we said, again, that's due to the increasing nuclear charge, which squeezes the valence electrons closer to the center, making the atomic radius smaller. And because those electrons are closer to the nucleus, it's going to be harder to remove them. which is why ionization energy increases and electronegativity, the attraction for those electrons, also increases. Hopefully this was helpful, and thank you for watching.